Taking away or reducing is called subtraction. We are going to learn the same concept today. So watch the video till end. And if you are new on our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Here we have 6 teddy and we have to subtract 2 teddy. So what we will do? We will strike off the number of teddy we need to subtract. So we will strike or cut 2 teddy from 6 teddy and we'll count the remaining ones. So how much teddies we are left with? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 6 minus 2 will be 4. Here we have 5 helicopters. And what's the question? 5 minus 2. So what we will do? We will strike off 2 helicopters from the 5 helicopters and we'll see how much is left. So how much helicopters are left? So 1, 2, 3. 3 helicopters are left after striking 2 helicopters. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Here we have 5 apples. We have to subtract 3 apples from 5 apples. Let's find out 5 minus 3 will be how much. So what we will do? We will strike off 3 apples from the group of 5 apples. How many apples left after striking? 1, 2. Means 5 minus 3 will be 2. Here we have to subtract 1, 2, 3 ice cream from 6. Now we will learn to subtract by drawing the equivalent lines. So here we will draw 6 lines. And we'll erase 3 lines from 6 lines. And we'll see how much is left. So we are left with 1, 2, 3 lines. So what is the answer? 6 minus 3 is 3. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 potatoes. And we have to subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 potatoes. We will strike off 6 potatoes from 9 potatoes. And we'll see how much is left. So here we are left with 1, 2, 3 potatoes. So 9 minus 6 will be 3. We have to subtract 4 from 8. And we'll solve this question by drawing the equivalent lines. So here we have drawn 8 lines and we'll strike off 4 lines and we'll see how much is left. We are left with 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So 8 minus 4 will be 4.